Planning to buy a Vitamix blender? You might want to watch this first. Many buyers spend hundreds of dollars on the wrong model, not because Vitamix is bad, but because they choose the wrong one for their needs. In this video, we'll look at the most common mistakes people make when buying a Vitamix, and then show you 3 models that are actually worth your money. If you enjoy smart kitchen upgrades and honest product reviews, make sure to subscribe before your next purchase. Before choosing a Vitamix blender, let's quickly go through the mistakes that cause most buyer regrets. Mistake number 1. Buying the most expensive model. Many people assume the most expensive Vitamix is automatically the best, but in reality, you may end up paying for features you never use. Mistake number 2. Ignoring container size. Some Vitamix models come with large containers designed for families, but if you mostly make single smoothies, blending small portions can become less efficient. Mistake number 3. Choosing the wrong control style. Some people prefer simple manual dials, while others like preset programs and digital controls. Choosing the wrong type can make everyday use less convenient. Mistake number 4. Overlooking noise and usability. Vitamix blenders are powerful machines, but certain models are easier to use, clean, and store than others. So instead of guessing, we looked at the models that perform best based on performance, ease of use, durability, and overall value. You can check all the Vitamix blenders in the description below. Kicking off the list at number 3, the Vitamix Explorian E310 delivers serious power in a compact build. This professional-grade blender features a 2 HP motor, 10.05 pounds weight, stainless steel blades, a 48-ounce container, and a 5-year warranty. The 10 variable speeds plus pulse control give you precise texture control for smoothies, soups, sauces, and juices. Its laser-cut blades power through frozen fruit, fibrous vegetables, nuts, and ice with ease. The 48-ounce container is ideal for small to medium batches while still creating the classic Vitamix vortex. Cleanup is simple with the 30 to 60 second self-cleaning cycle using warm water and dish soap. Customers praise this blender's powerful motor that crushes ice and makes perfect smoothies, while appreciating its ease of use with simple controls and super easy cleaning. Moreover, the blender works well for vegetable juices. However, customers disagree on the noise level, with some describing it as extremely loud. Best for smoothie lovers and home cooks who want pro-level blending without complicated controls. For current pricing, head to the links in the description. But it is number 2 where things level up. The Vitamix 5200 brings bigger capacity and classic pro performance. It features a 2 HP motor, 10.56 pounds weight, stainless steel blades, a 64 ounces BPA-free container, and a 7-year warranty. Unlike number 3, this model is built for larger batches, thanks to that roomy 64-ounce container. The powerful motor and laser-cut blades easily crush ice, nuts, and fibrous produce. You get 10 variable speeds plus a high-speed setting, giving precise control for smoothies, soups, sauces, and purees. The tall container also helps create the signature Vitamix vortex for smoother blends. Cleanup stays simple with the 30 to 60 second self-cleaning process using warm water and soap. Customers praise the blender's impressive blending power, particularly for making smoothies and soups, and appreciate its quiet operation and easy cleaning. Customers have mixed opinions about the blender's noise level, with some finding it much quieter than expected, while others report it being quite loud. Best for families or anyone blending large batches regularly. Check the links below for current pricing and availability. And finally, the top spot goes to the Vitamix Ascent X5. This blender blends premium power with smart convenience. It features stainless steel blades, 14.25 pounds weight, a 48 ounces BPA-free container, and a 10-year warranty. Unlike number 2, this model focuses on automation and modern controls instead of just size. You get 10 blending programs for smoothies, soups, nut butters, frozen desserts, and even non-dairy milks. The intuitive touch controls and digital timer make operation simple and precise. There's also pulse control, plus an add 15 seconds feature when blends need extra time. The self-detect technology recognizes containers and adjusts settings automatically. Cleanup stays effortless with the 60-second self-cleaning program. Customers find this blender to be the best they've used, praising its self-cleaning mode, powerful performance, and ease of use. They consider it worth the price and appreciate its functionality. Best for serious home chefs who want premium features and smart blending control. If you want to check current prices or read more about these models, click the links in the description to grab your Vitamix safely. If you're upgrading your kitchen, watch this video. Top 5 personal blenders that will change the way you blend.